Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you have never been here. So today is the day we are heading to our next destination. All packed up and all our luggages are downstairs. So let's go downstairs.
Okay, so this is the hotel, and here is the drama queen, Lasang Tamang.
Let's go. I was transferring the files.
Good. Have you cleaned it?
Not all, still left. Let's go. So our journey to the next location has started and we are heading towards Pahalgam, and we also bought some sweets. We stopped nearby and I was basically watching an anime where Nimsang was playing games.
So guys, right now we are in front of the apple garden, and these are the apple trees. Only flower is there. Here you will get fresh apple juice. So guys, this is the apple juice. Sang is plucking some flowers.
Not flowers.
Oh.
So when all of them were out in the apple garden, I was inside the vehicle as always and watching some Kaylee Boyle's video and just looking out and trying to figure out when they were coming back. As we arrived at the hotel, let's go and have some lunch. So guys, it's now time for lunch. Let's go and have our lunch. So here is the new room we got. Haha. So guys, we are now going to explore the market over here. The market was around 10 minutes further from here, and you could also take a horse and go there. Hot. So sunny. We are exploring Pahalgam, but we don't know what we are gonna do because it's so sunny, guys. Look at it. Does not even feel like it's cold out here. It feels like we are back in West Bengal right now. It's too sunny. So this is the market. I just tied it up.
We thought
It will be
cold,
cold.
but it's pretty hot.
Jalebi, baby. Oh, happy birthday,
I am leaving foreigner, so I will taste first time. What is it's called Jalebi Lalu. This is.
We got 2 jalebis, 2 rasgullas, 1 black and 1 white. We just had some sweets and now we are just roaming because we are not finding anything that we like. Kura time. and we had a mini campfire and had a huge lot of fun. We danced to a lot of songs till I think 10 p.m. or something like that. So guys, it's the next day and now we are going to go and explore Pahalgam. So let's go. I'm wearing this fit for today. So here are all the views that you get while you're heading out and exploring Pahalgam. So guys, right now we are at Aru Valley. Yay! Let's go. We're gonna explore here. Oh my gosh.
And after that, we'll go to Chandanbari. And after that, we'll go to Betaf Valley.
Let's go. Yay!
All the horses over here. थोड़ा घूमो कैमरा पे देखो स्माइल करो बाल को हिलाओ
मान्छे कि बिरालो यतै
So guys,
लु चल आटी
यता हैन देखा नि त्यसो
video.
Guys, this cat fell asleep right here.
it's sleeping so cute cat.
Guys, we are done and now we are heading back to our cab. So let's go. We found a Persian cat and it was so adorable. And we clicked a lot of pictures with it. So yeah. So guys, right now we are at Chandanbari. Let's go. Insan, come here. Look at all the people over there. That is closed right now. All the street shops here. Bill milk. It's freezed up. It's a bit chilly weather here. Let's go.
It's very slippery.
You can do it.
So guys, look at the crowd. Okay. What are you making, Ramsa? It's slippery. Everyone is sleeping. Look at the last one.
Me walking down with utmost caution as I slipped down 3 to 4 times. So guys, right now we are at Betab Valley. Let's go. Look at all the tourist cars over here that are parked. And there is the Betab Valley. So here we have entered the Betab Valley. We have sky cycles, zip lining.
치치 먹어. 또?
Guys, we did the Boomerang reels and we are going back. Let's go fast because we only have 30 minutes over here. Feels like we are running for our life. Let's go. Running. Let's go back to our hotel.
We run so fast. We not I.
So here we are for lunch.
Look at the weather. It has now become so cold. It has started raining, guys.
So guys, as it started raining, we all were super duper tired and exhausted from our travel from the previous day till today. So we were exhausted, so we fell asleep and then we just went and had dinner, and that was all. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you guys will be notified whenever I upload something new. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care, love you.